Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Makali's Cakes here and I'm super excited to have you guys here once again on my channel. To my old and new subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, you guys will be learning how to make this yummy delicious chicken sandwich. So you can make this recipe for your family, your friends. Trust me, it's perfect for breakfast, and you can also start this as a side hustle or a business. If it's something you're really interested to watch, I want you all to sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Also, please like, share, drop your comment and subscribe to my channel. Do enjoy the video, guys. Alright guys, welcome back. So these are my ingredients here. I have in my veggies. I have what I have here is lettuce, carrots, and of course some cabbage as well. However, this is optional. You can either use just carrots and your chicken, or you can use all of these. So whichever one you want is fine. It's your choice at the end of the day. So I have my chicken here. Already my chicken is grilled, so I just have to show you guys what it's looking like. However, you can if you have a chicken, you can steam your chicken. So actually I have a leftover grilled chicken, and then this is what is looking like at the moment. So what I'll do right now is just to pieces it or shred the chicken. Okay, but for yours, if you have a chicken, you can use a fresh chicken or chicken breast, and then you steam it or you cook it. Make sure that you season it very well. You spice it, and then when it's done, you now have to shred it, just like what I'm going to do right here in this video. Here I have in my Obama mayonnaise, and of course my slice of bread, and for a condensed milk. This condensed milk is actually optional. It all depends on how you want it, but for me, I just want a little bit of extra sweetness, so I won't put too much of the condensed milk. So guys, let's start the process. If you don't have a food processor to shred your chicken, you can use a knife, just like what I am doing right now. For me, I really don't have a food processor. I wish I have. I would have just shredded everything and to make my life easier. So but you can still use your knife still does the same process. For me, I feel like for food processor, it will just shred everything together and it becomes more easier. But this is still perfect if you ask me. So guys, I'm done shredding my chicken using a knife, and you can see what it's looking like. So the next thing I'm going to add right now is pour it inside my veggies. So because this particular bowl is small for me, I'm going to transfer everything inside this bigger bowl so I can have enough space to mix all this. I'm going to take some Bama now. I love this particular mayonnaise, which is Bama brand. I'm going to take some, add it inside my veggies. So I'm adding my condensed milk right now. Like I said, it's just for a little bit of extra sweetness. You don't really need this. It's optional, okay? I'm going to stir this right now. Even if there's leftover, I wish I know the will. It's not a waste. It is more like a chicken salad, right? But we're making a sandwich with it using bread. So you guys, looking at this already, looking at this is giving yummy, right? Please like the video if you've watched to this point and subscribe to my channel. You guys, I have some parsley flakes and I'm going to add it inside my chicken veggies. I wish I have some black pepper. I would have loved it, but I really don't have any at the moment. But if you have, please feel free to add in some black pepper inside this veggie salad, and then you continue to stir it. This parsley flakes gives it some nice aroma and flavors. However, I just thought of something. I have not really tried adding Cameroon pepper, But if you have, you can, add it into yours. But if you ask me, I think I prefer some black pepper. So can you see what is looking like at the moment? However, you can use 3 slices of bread if you want to. I have some blue band here. Please, all these brands I'm showing right here on my video, they are not really sponsored ad, but just to share with you guys what I use, okay? So because this particular part of the bread is going to be flat down on my saucepan, I'm going to apply my margarine on that part. So I am done with all this, and it's time to pan toast the bread. So when you are pan toasting the bread, make sure that you face the part you applied the butter. Make sure you face it. Make sure you face it down into your saucepan. You have to pan toast it for just few minutes. When you have your the brown effect like this, then that means it has been pan toasted very well. If you don't want to pan toast it, you can leave it that way. You just slice it and enjoy it. But for me, I prefer to pan toast it. I just want to have that brown effect on my sandwich. So this is okay, and let's see how the under of this one is looking like. Ooh, I burnt my hand. Ouch. So you can see this actually okay, right? Right. I love this, you guys. This is so good. Can you guys see? Alright guys, our sandwich is ready. As you can see, this is so delicious, tantalizing, all ingredients super complete. You guys, I love this so much and it tastes so nice. So will you be trying this recipe for your family, for your loved ones? Let me know in the comment section. So if you have watched to this point, please, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time and I hope you got value from this easy recipe. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe, okay? Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, share the video, drop your comments, and let me know what you think about this video, okay? So I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Stay happy, stay joyful, and lastly, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.